Guys, welcome back to Guitar Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix iOS 15 live text is not working on your iPhone after the iOS 15 update. So let's get started. So before getting to this, I would like to make you generally notice that iOS 15 live text, which is not available for all the devices. So this is only available for some specific devices like 10, 10s Max, 11, 11 Pro and 12, 12 Pro, and even the latest models 13, 13 Pro, 13 Pro Mini and all those things. So I have seen some of you users are getting comment on the Reddit regarding asking the question on the iOS 15 live text even after they are updating on 7 and 7 Plus. So they will not be getting the live text because of this issue. So this is very important. So when it is not working, and if your phone is 7 Plus, 8 Plus, you will not be getting this option because this is only available for some specific models as you mentioned above. So after trying out, if you're even the model on your hand is 10, 10s Max or 10s, all these latest models, then and if you're having any kind of trouble, then you just have to watch this app. So what you have to do is just have to tap on the settings. Now from here you just have to scroll down and you have to navigate to camera. From here you have an option called live text. Okay, if it is disabled, you will not be able to do this up. So you have to make sure the live text is enabled on your iPhone. Okay, by default, in some reason this can happen, so you have to make sure this is enabled. And moving on, after trying out this, you can do the methods. Okay, you can try out with the live text, and even after it's not working, then we have solution number 2. Solution number 2 is what you have to do is just have to go from the here in the settings itself. You just have to navigate to general. From here you just check for the software update, and if you're having any kind of updates, you can go for updates. And also from here itself you just have to go back, scroll down. From here you just have to tap on transfer or reset iPhone. From here you have an option called reset. You just have to tap on it, and we have options like this. So from here you have to select reset all settings, and you have to do a reset. And most probably by doing these simple 3 steps, the issue will be completely fixed. And even after trying it's not working, then we have solution number 4. Solution number 4 is all about forced restart, and you can know this up. So if you don't know, you can do this by pressing power button followed by volume down button. Press and hold power button unless and until you see Apple logo on the screen. These are the steps which you have to try out, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.